Hi, it's Wizard Eye right here. And in this video, I'm going to build Pac-Man in this model kit. It's beginners, pretty easy. Accusing is pretty easy. It doesn't look as complicated as some of the advanced model kit I built. But yeah, I'm gonna build this and try this out. So, yeah. Oh, I guess for once I could try something easy because I've been building model kits and yeah, it can be hard. Do I even need instructions? I mean, it looked pretty simple and yeah, I mean, I think. Oh, okay. So first things first, just snap the head. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Yeah. There you go. And no stickers this time. Oh wait, there is a sticker. What is this? For Pac-Man eyes. Do I really need that, really, to be honest? This should be easy to snap. Yeah, it is easy to snap. And this must be the nose. Well, what is it saying? I gotta first get this out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Why couldn't they just put the eyebrow there too? Oh well. Snap, snap, snap. When I first did the Pokemon once, I was like, snap easily. Yeah. Yeah, like sometimes you would like in other model kits you would have to like get those like little twizzlers, I think they call, and just break it apart. So I'm no expert of model kits, to be honest. I messed up way too much. But yeah, I'm not like, don't ask me for advice, honestly, because I'm terrible. Alright, let's see. So, I'm assuming from here, oh no, we don't do the mouth? Oh, we do the mouth last. Okay. So from here, I mean, do I really need the instruction? I mean, watch how hard it is to build Pac-Man. Okay, so stage 2, well, I did stage 1 ready. Okay, so stage 2, all I had to do is break, I'm assuming it's the legs, and get the back. Okay, so this is the back, and yep, and then you get this leg. This is the leg. No way. Okay, this is this way. And let me see. So according to the instruction manual, yeah, no, I saw so, but these goes over here. There you go. We got that done. Did I did it correctly? Alright, let's see how the angle's supposed to go. Oh wait, of course. That's why would it fit. Alright, cool. And then, oh, we snap those together. There you go. And then we put the mouth. Oops. Yep, then we put the mouth. And come on, Pac-Man. When I mean mouth, I mean tongue. We put the tongue, his tongue. Ah. Yeah. And then we put his Pinocchio nose in there. Alright. I mean, to be honest, do I really need the instruction manual? Why am I following it? I'm not even doing it as like intended. The steps. Then we put the shoes on. Yeah. The shoes. right. And then A4, what is it called? Okay. There you go. This is A4. And it's gotta fit it somewhere. Oopsie. Okay. Unless it's this way. No, it had to be this way. Also, it would just show, you know, all the insides. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wah. Okay, so. There you go. Now it fit. Why wasn't it fitting before? It was like so stressful. Alright. And then this one goes here. And this goes inside here. It's the most weirdest step. Okay. I guess I had to analyze it. Analyze it. Should go this way. I thought it goes this way. See? No, it goes this way. Oh, my bad. And now let's see if it fits. And it still doesn't fit. Yeah, it should. It should, yeah. It should be this way. There you go. Yeah, it should be this way. And then we just put Pac-Man legs in here. I mean, not legs, foot in here. Shoes, I meant, or feet, I mean. How do you know what I mean? It's feet, shoes, boots. There you go. Yay, Pac-Man's starting to look like he's coming together. Dun. Okay. And then the gloves. It should be simple. The arms. Right arm. They call it arms. Oh, okay, I get it. So A2, 12 and 14. Okay, A2, 12 and 14. There you go. And you snap these out. And you just put them together. Where this here in the hole, the pointy thing. Yep, there you go. And then this one is saying 9 and 10. 9 and 10. And you just put in this in here. Oh, cool. Which way does it go, though? Kinda lost. So, the small one goes where the arm is. And the big one goes there. Why do they look the same size? But okay, I get it. The small one, this goes in here. And the big one goes in here. See? There you go. Hey, it does move. Okay, I don't need the rest of this. I just need a little bit of common sense. And there you go. Yay! Alright. Cool. Small one goes in here. Big one goes in here. It doesn't matter. Because the left side is smaller and the right side is larger. I'm assuming it's the opposite for the other one. I hate the sticker part. Why not just paint it instead? Like get a permanent marker. Should have been way easier that way. Oh, perfect. Unlike the Pokemon model kit where I like screw up a lot. Oh, cool. It's not that bad. By the way, in case anyone wondering, did I have brought more Pokemon model kits? Yes, I have. Haven't built them yet though. It's like there. No, it's a little troublesome. Okay, wait. Well, I messed up right there a little bit. It's just a little bit mark. 2 marks actually, but yes, I mean, okay, maybe I'll restart a little bit. I'm afraid to break the sticker. I should have just painted it with a marker, maybe. Well, a permanent marker, maybe. It would have just been easier. Oh, it was so close. Get off here. There you go. And there you go. Much better. No, I'm not going to perfect it. I know this right here is a little bit off, but I'm not going to perfect it. There you go. And voila. This is Pac-Man. Yay! Haha. Alright guys, if you like this video, remember to hit that subscribe button to be subscribed and hit that notification bell to be sure to be up to date for any videos I release. Share, like, and remember to either stay beautiful or stay ugly, depending how the way you like it. Bye! Bye!